first episode of hack tutorials. I've seen a lot of videos of how to hack and hack dance, etc. on YouTube, but none of these really explain how the movement is done clean. And so I decided to make a short video, so I don't want to talk about why I'm doing that, so let's begin. A lot of people perform a hack like this. Just one more time. If you like to let it look more smooth, so you have to land on your heel. That's very important. Just stretch your leg and stay on your heel. Like you see in the video, my other foot is in the opposite position. So when you hack, at least one of your leg is under tension all the time. So on the ground you have a lot of tension, and don't try to jump. Hacken is not a jump style dance, just train this position and movement a little bit. So next we come to the kick itself. You stay straight, your back stays straight, and then push your leg up over your knee. Remember, it's like you're doing a lift with your knee, and then stretch your leg completely when you end at a high position, so your leg is completely stretched. So practice creates masters, and don't be disappointed if you fail a little bit in the beginning and it's not smooth. And yeah, it's training, so get used to it. Do it every day, every morning, every evening, every time when you're partying. Just train a little bit, you're getting better and better with the time. And I can recommend raw style with 150 and 155 beats per minute to train a little bit slower beat. Maybe you can hack to techno or psytrance with around 130 and 150 BPM, something like that, just with a 4/4 beat. To train a little bit, and then you can go faster, and then I would pick old school hardcore with 160, 170 BPM, so you can train the movement. It's a little bit slower, and yeah, when you're getting better and feeling okay with it, then try a little bit more fast hardcore, or maybe up tempo when you're ready for it. But yeah, it takes a lot of practice, and you will see, you will get better with the time. Thanks for watching, I hope this video will help you. If you're interested in the history of hardstyle, hardcore and other genres, then check out my other videos on my channel. I will link these in the description. Thanks for watching, and leave a sub here if you like. Be continued to other tutorials in the future.